Hello everyone, this is Parnika here. Welcome back to YouTube channel and welcome to the presentation. I'll be discussing about how the evolution of digital communication platforms impacted traditional forms of communication as well as its positive aspects and negative aspects. This is the picture showing the sharing and communication through the ages. From 30,000 BC to 2006 BC, there were different types of communication systems that were used, like cave paintings, pictograms, carrier pigeons, first postal service, the marathon man, heliographs, paper, bellman, daily newspaper, some type of codes, telephone, first transatlantic signal, first TV broadcast, ARPANET launched, WW World Wide Web, AIM, logging, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. We had all these types of communication, and this also shows the chart of evolution from traditional communication to digital communication. Let's know more about all of this in the further slides. First of all, let me introduce to the topic how the digital communication was divided. It has different types of eras. Uh, According to the presentation, we have six types of eras. Pre-digital era. In pre-digital era, there was only oral and written communication. Like people were used to speak only uh, to their close relatives, only in their village, not out of the city. Written communication was possible through postal services. Uh, so, in early digital era, the emergence of computers played an important role. Uh, Mails, uh, bulletin boards uh, are all provided early online forms, fostering connectivity beyond geographical constraints. Internet age, global connectivity and introducing websites and online forms. This period saw the birth of World Wide Web. I think internet age does not need any explanation. We are all committed to this technology. Uh, every second, every minute, every hour, we're just dependent on this. Uh, we can't imagine our lives without internet. Social media platforms, these are blooming flowers, evergreen. Uh, this has transformed communication into a real time and interactive experience. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter become synonymous with instant global communication and information sharing. That means the social media platforms are blooming like anything. From now, if we just consider, it is gonna be evergreen always. Uh, let's go to the fifth one, instant messaging. It is a real-time communication. If we want to ask any questions or any doubts to our friends at a single uh, click, we can just text them and we can ask the doubts and make it clear. That is how the power of instant messaging is all about. Video communication through Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet uh, reshaped how individuals and business connect, introducing face-to-face interactions in the digital era, like Zoom, Skype. You know what? I just realized now we're communicating via YouTube through video presentation. So even this is also a two-way communication system where I'm speaking, I'll post the video on YouTube. You can give all your comments in the comment section. This is a two-way communication as itself. So let's come to our topic. The impact of digital communication on traditional forms is multifaceted and has significantly altered the landscape of how individuals, business, and societies interact. Here are several ways in which digital communication has influenced and affected traditional communication. with respect to speed and accessibility. This is the major impact that is created. You know what? During early ages, we used to send any information uh, through letters, but now we just send them on WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other social platforms. So the speed is measured in terms of Mbps. So it is just how you cannot even imagine, in a fraction of second our messages can reach to a far place. So during traditional communication, this that did not play a very significant role, because if you send a post letter to anyone buddy who was out of the village or town, it would at least take 2 days to reach the destination. So in digital communication, it is very much high speed. We can send any type of data, and we can access it very easily. Global reach. And traditional communication was constrained to only a small area, but digital communication can reach uh, any geographical places without any barriers. Interactivity. In see, for example, if we have some topic in which we can speak and discuss, um, those and all, if I put a single video on YouTube, and you can see there will be a number of uh, against points and also far points. So this is how the interaction is. But in traditional communication, it was only for a particular town. Cost efficiency. For we in postal services only, we have fast courier, s- any number of types of services that is available. uh, that is all uh, has a very high cost, right? uh, some of them can't even uh, bear that. So in digital communication, it's not like that. Sometimes it is a free of cost. WhatsApp is run by the internet, and also it is a free of cost. Messages, texts, videos, anything can be sent in a few minutes. Information consumption. During traditional age, the information was only for a particular area. Again, uh, the people who were giving the information was concentrated to that particular village, that particular city, state only. But we can know that if there is a landslide in Jammu and Kashmir, we people staying in Karnataka can know that. So this is how the information consumption is. uh, so in traditional communication, since we've not we didn't travel much, we would not knowing the information about all the places. Uh, Media convergence. Media people will cover all the information from A to Z. So media convergence was not present during the early ages. So if somebody is lost, now people can advertise using media. But in our traditional era, in early ages, we didn't have such facilities at all. Privacy concerns. In traditional communication, since we speak to face, the information can pass to all the persons. But in digital communication, it will be restricted. It is just passed to selective members only, not to all people. Professional impact. Professional impact is how means we have LinkedIn, GitHub, or some communities which will respond as soon as we uh, question anything. So that professional impact was not present in traditional communication. There is no professionalism that was um, developed during those earlier ages. Let's know about its positive aspects with the examples. Instant communication. Example, as I've already discussed earlier, sending a message to instant messaging apps like WhatsApp or Slack allows individual to receive and respond to messages instantly, promoting quick and efficient communication. Global connectivity. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram enable people to connect with friends, family, and colleagues globally. Sharing updates, photos, and experience becomes easy, fostering a sense of global community. Cost savings. Business can save on printing and postage costs by sending digital newsletters or promotional material through email campaigns, reaching a large audience without incurring traditional distribution expenses. Efficient collaboration, such as Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams, facilitate real time document editing, file sharing, and communication among team members, enhancing productivity in a remote or distributed work environment. Access to information. Online educational platforms like Khan Academy or Coursera provide learners worldwide with access to vast array of courses and educational resources, democratizing education and knowledge sharing. Multimedia integration like Zoom, Skype allow users to conduct virtual meetings, presentation or interviews with the integration of video, audio and screen sharing, creating a more immersive communication experience. Archiving and retrieval. Example, email services such as Gmail or Outlook automatically archive messages, making it easy for users to search and retrieve past communications, aiding in record keeping and referencing. Environmental impact. Electronic billing and online payment status reduce the need of for paper invoices and physical transactions, contributing a reduction in paper usage and the carbon footprint associated with traditional billing methods. Coming to customization and personalization, email marketing platforms like MailChimp allow business to customize and personalize marketing campaigns, tailoring content based on user preferences and behavior for a more targeted and effective approach. Innovation and integration. Smart home devices and virtual assistants like Amazon, Alexa, or Google Home leverage digital communication to integrate with various services, enabling users to control their homes, access information, and perform tasks using commands. Some negative aspects were their example, privacy concerns, instance of data breaches, and unauthorized access to personal information on platforms like Facebook have raised concerns about privacy. Users may unknowingly share sensitive information. Information overload. Constant notification emails and messages can contribute to information overload. This may result in decreased productivity and difficulty in focusing on critical tasks due to the overwhelming amount of digital communication. Digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to digital communication tools and resources. The digital divide is evident in areas where people lack reliable internet access or the necessary devices, creating disparities in opportunities for communication and information access. Impersonal communication. Sending a brief text message or email might lack the personal touch and nuances to face communication. Misinterruptions can occur due to absence of non-verbal cues, leading to misunderstandings. Cyberbullying. Social media platforms can be breeding grounds for cyberbullying. Individuals may experience harassment, intimidation, or the spreading of false information online, negatively impacting mental health. Dependency and addiction. Excessive use of smartphones and social media can lead to the dependency and addiction. Constant checking for updates, likes, or messages can contribute to a complex. compulsive need for digital communication, security risks, phishing attacks, malware, and ransomware pose security threats in digital communication. Clicking on malicious link or downloading attachments from unknown sources can compromise personal and organizational security. Loss of personal connection. The prevalence of remote work and virtual communication can lead to a loss of personal communications. Lack to lack of people face-to-face interactions may result in reduced team cohesion and a sense of isolations among colleagues. Misformation and fake news. Social media platforms can be breeding grounds for the rapid spread of misinformation and fake news. False information can circulate widely, leading to misunderstandings, panic, or even harm. Distraction in real life situations. Constant connectivity through smartphones can lead to distraction during important real life situations such as meetings, family gatherings, or while driving. This may impact interpersonal relationships and safety. So, impact on society. Positively, it has helped in learning new skills, improving in communication, how to make digital business, real time information, decrease in print media. But negatively, it is prone to addiction, lifestyle effects, cognitive development, information overload, lack of social skills, and impatience. So you hope you have understood the whole presentation. If you have any feedback to give, you can give it on comment sections. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a great day.